Hello friends! Today we will talk about Meizu 21, the latest flagship from Meizu, which promises to be one of the most interesting smartphones of 2024. What attracted attention to it, and is it worth your expectations? Let's figure it out. Meizu 21 stands out with its minimalistic and sophisticated design. The smartphone received a 6.55-inch AMOLED screen with a resolution of 2340 by 1080 pixels, a peak brightness of 1800 nits, and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. The screen bezels are extremely thin, only 1.74 millimeters, which makes the appearance of the device even more premium. Under the hood of Meizu 21 is the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, manufactured using a 4nm process technology. Depending on the configuration, it is equipped with 8 or 12 gigabytes of LPDDR5X RAM and a UFS 4.0 storage of up to 512 gigabytes. The smartphone shows impressive results in benchmarks. In AnTuTu, the device scores more than 2.2 million points, which is one of the best results among competitors. Particular attention is paid to the cameras. The main 200-megapixel module is equipped with a Samsung ISOCELL HP3 sensor and supports optical stabilization. It is complemented by a 13-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera with a 122-degree viewing angle and a 5-megapixel telephoto lens with 4 times optical zoom. The front camera has a resolution of 32 megapixels and supports 4K video shooting. The device is equipped with a 4,800 mAh battery with support for 80-watt fast charging. Reverse charging is also available, making the Meizu 21 a versatile solution for charging other gadgets. Other features of the Meizu 21 include support for 5G, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, Wi-Fi 6, and 2 GPS bands, L1 plus L5. The smartphone also has a fingerprint scanner built into the screen and a cooling system to ensure stable performance. The Meizu 21 is a powerful and stylish smartphone with impressive specs. How do you like the new flagship from Meizu? Share your impressions in the comments.